Today I am very excited to share my opinion review on Chanel's full collection eyeshadow palettes. I couldn't really buy more because I'm leaving in few days. I already have so much makeup to carry with me, so I only got those two eyeshadow palettes was purely out of curiosity to see their quality this time. I put my words here now. I was so impressed with their eyeshadow palettes. I got two most hyper and common color combination in a way, but I love them. One is 318 and the other one is 328. This is the more common one, 318, and this is the most hyper one in China, 328. This time impressed me the most are their powder performance on the skin itself. This one is 318. Have a look. I'll get even closer to the camera. The powder performance on the skin. Even by the darkest color, see when I tilt it, you still see my natural skin reflection underneath. It doesn't look like a powder on your skin. And look at those two. This is natural daylight, yeah? And when you look at it, it's just like a silk on top of your skin. You don't see the powder in it at all. And I show you guys the details. See, when you apply it on the skin, it starts melt in. So easy to be blended out, and when you blend it out, look, it's the eyeshadow, but the performance is like blush. It's like high-end quality blush. I know it's very weird, but it's such an enjoyable feeling and experience of swatching this eyeshadow palette. This one is a 328. Within these two palettes, I'm going to swatch a couple of colors which you may feel look similar, but they are actually different. One is the darkest color from those two palettes. This one is from this palette, 318. And this one is from here, 328. If you look into the details, 318 as the color combination in the palette itself, it is actually slightly warmer tone. It has more chocolate color in this brown. And 328 again is this one, which is a slightly cool tone compared to 318. Therefore it has a little bit more ashy, a little bit more gray in comparison to this brown. The next one are their two glitter shimmer colors. Both are multiple tones, which you see the glitters and the base colors. This one is from this one, 318, and this is 328. 318, it has more light green undertone, and the other one, 328, it has more cooler blue purple undertone. And you can see my look today. This half I used this one, this half I look here, I used this one. Here I need to highlight the pigmentation again. I mentioned earlier, personally feel it is medium, but I've seen these swatches on the website and I've seen swatches on different YouTubers and different promotional videos. They seem much more stronger, but from my own experience, it is actually not. It's about right level for people like us who's even not professional makeup artists. I can quickly swatch this too. No editing, no cutting, literally I'm going to just fast forward. That's the pigmentation. I personally wouldn't class this as high pigment. So I suppose from my perspective it's a good news. It actually would be more practical for more people. Then let's move on to the two different eye look tutorial. I'm going to use the finger straight away. Touch this. Can you see? It literally gives you eyelid like a silk finish. I really hope the natural daylight will actually show you guys what I'm actually seeing in the mirror. Then I'm going to dip into this one. Apply back half of the eyes. Oh, the more I'm using it, the more I like the performance on your eyelid. It just looks so high class. Same color for the lower lash line. Then dip into the darkest color. Same darker color for lower lash line. Only the back half. Drag it out and connect to your wing. Then dip into this lovely cool tone, blue, purple, silver. Then get eyeliner down. Dip back to the darker color. Then just enhance the area above your out corner. Move on to this side, we're going to use a 318. Let me double check. Yes. This one though, I'm going to use the little brushes that come with. This type of brush, I quite like it. Chanel, this one that come with, which is really good. But those sponge one, it does provide better pigment on your eyelid, but it's difficult to clean. It's kind of like a one-off in a way. This one I'm going to dip into this lovely. Again, it's like a sunset type of color. Going to apply that on all over the eyelid. See the pigment with this little sponge brush. Dot it in the area you like, then use the little brush just to soft the edges. Same for the lower lash line. Then use this little bit golden shimmer color. Not so much, let them merge with the coral orange color. And dip into the dark color more towards back half. Focus in your out corner. Same for your lower lash line. Get the darker color only tiny a little bit over here. The lovely glitter color, see? There are multiple tones in this. To get a little bit intense just on top of your eyebrow, like here. So when you open your eyelid, you actually see this color better. Now I have to change the smaller brush, dip into the darker color, just to kind of smudge the out corner. In summary, Chanel's this full collection, those two eyeshadow palettes are way much better than the ones that are used from Chanel. This quality, this color combination, and most importantly, the powder quality and delivery, actual deliveries on your eyes are absolutely carrying Chanel's name. It matches its brand. It definitely exceeded my expectation. Hope you also enjoyed today's video and somehow find it helpful. If you like today's video, do click the like button, and most importantly too, subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next one.